from the deserts of Arabia, forged from the scorching golden sands of the UAE, NIMR emerges as a major player in the light to medium weight defense vehicles industry. NIMR has steadily supported the UAE Armed Forces since 2005, growing a reputation for versatility, ruggedness, and performance.
Wednesday, November 30, 2016, exercise Black Blade ended its major training exercise with a live demonstration which was attended by the head of European Defence Agency, High Representative of the European Union for Foreign Affairs and Security Policy and Vice President of the European Commission, Federica Mogherini. For 14th of November to 2nd of December this year, the helicopter exercise under the umbrella of the Helicopter Exercise Program took place from Airbase Florence in Belgium under the code name Black Blade 2016. A total of 13 helicopters from Belgium, Slovenia and Austria and one Falcon aircraft from the UK have been deployed. The Black Blade 2016 is a special operation forces oriented helicopter exercise featuring 70 members of the Belgian Special Forces and airborne troops for the 3rd Parachute Battalion who participate directly in the training missions.
Strong European defence industrial and technological base, as well as increased cooperation among member states, are both essential to develop and maintain the key capabilities that are needed for Europe's security.
During a press conference by Federica Mogherini, Jirki Katainen, Vice President of the European Commission, and Elżbieta Bieńkowska, member of the European Commission, on Wednesday, November 30, 2016, announced the European Defence Action Plan. The European Union has unveiled the European Defence Action Plan, which aims at a major military spending increase alliance-wide, with some 5.8 billion a year being set aside to acquire more weaponry, including attack helicopters and drones. Russia's defense contractors are testing software designed for unmanned aerial vehicles, with the software expected to provide them with artificial intelligence. A new joint development by the Defense Ministry main Robotics Research and Test Center and net-centric platform company turns individual drones into a self-organizing swarm capable of not only flying information but patrolling and dealing with aerial targets in hunter-killer mode as well. The operating principle of the cutting-edge system is simple. Drones are fitted with a special software package and a small computing unit able to calculate further behavior based on the commands received and the data fed by the sensor. The swarm is controlled from the base station. The organic UAV control center furnished with the corresponding software package, turning to the operator's command into a set of algorithms transmitted to the swarm. Milrem, the Estonian defense solutions provider, and ST Kinetics, one of Asia's leading land system companies, came one step closer to helping support or replace soldiers on the battlefield with robots. In November 2016, they successfully tested the first armored, fully modular, unmanned ground vehicle, the THeMIS. During this first live firing test of the THeMIS, the tracted unmanned ground vehicle was armed with a 12.7mm EV machine gun. The THeMIS has a payload of 750 to 1000 kg, a maximum speed of 24 km and up to 10 hours of operation time. In addition to being a weapon carrier on tracked vehicle, it can be used for a wide variety of applications, including remote reconnaissance platform, counter-improvised explosive device, platform, medevac vehicle and supply delivery device. The US Defense Department said that the planned deployment of US advanced anti-missile system to South Korea will continue despite the opposition of China. In September, South Korea has selected a site for deployment of the advanced missile defense system by the end of next year, despite Chinese strong opposition. Tokyo has long been interested in deploying the THAAD system, and Japan already has a ballistic missile defense system after years of cooperation with the United States. Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, THAAD, is an American-made anti-ballistic missile system able to destroy medium and intermediate range ballistic missiles. The THAAD battery typically operates 9 launch vehicles, each carrying 8 missiles, with 2 mobile tactical operation centers and a ground-based radar. The THAAD missile has an estimated range of 150 to 200 km. It can reach an altitude of 25 km. General Atomics Aeronautical System, a leading manufacturer of remotely piloted aircraft systems, radars and electro-optic and related mission system solutions, today announced that its Type-Certifiable Predator B variant completed its first flight test at the company's Grey Butte Flight Operation Facility near Palmdale, California on November 17. Both hardware and software upgrades will be made, such as improved Predator B, structural fatigue and damage tolerance, and more robust flight control software, as well as enhancements allowing operation in adverse weather, including icing conditions. Additionally, the aircraft will be designed to survive bird and lightning strikes. Belarus is planning to purchase 5 Russian-made Yakovlev Yak-152 training planes before the end of 2018 for the cooperation with the Army, Air Force and Navy. The Yak-152 is a new generation primary trainer aircraft developed by Yakovlev Design Bureau, a part of Irkut Corporation. Operated by the single pilot, the cockpit can accommodate 2 crew members in tandem configuration. The purple pilot seat is located in the front section, while the instructor is seated at the rear. Japan has received its first Lockheed Martin F-35A, marking the first delivery of a joint strike fighter acquired via the foreign military sale route. The aircraft was officially rolled out in September and was handed over to the Japan Air Defense Forces on 28 November. Japan will use it for training at Luke Air Force Base in Arizona. The US Air Force 944 Fighter Wing at Luke Air Base is responsible for training foreign customers, including Israel and South Korea, in addition to Japan, as well as pilots from 35 partner nations as Australia, Canada, Denmark, Italy, the Netherlands, Norway and Turkey.
During Balt Military Expo 2016 held last week in Poland, Pit-Radwar, a member of PGZ Polish armament group, showcased its new 35mm Titan naval gun system for the Cormorant II mine countermeasure vessel program. According to representatives from Pit-Radwar, the remote control turret will be fully integrated with the combat management system of the ship. Electronica, also a member of PGZ, is in charge of designing the fire control system for this new turret. The 35mm gun will cover an angle of 175 degrees forward and may aim vertically at angles from -10 to +80 degrees. The ammunition will be 35 by 228mm caliber. The maximum range against air targets is expected to be 5,000 meters and 3,500 meters against surface targets. The first turret to be produced is currently fitted on the Project 620 class corvette ORP Katsub for testing. It will be fitted on the Cormorant II class once the testing is completed.
This is the 40mm Mark IV naval gun system from Bofors, and this, a little bit bigger, is the 57mm Mark III Bofors naval gun system. Here in Poland, we're offering both these to the Polish Navy, and in combination with that, we also offer quite an extensive package of industrial participation, local industry participation here, to strengthen our offer for Poland and Polish Navy. The 57mm gun is a very, very cost-effective alternative to a 76mm medium caliber gun, which we think fits perfect to the Polish Navy requirements. The 40mm gun is a very, very lightweight, compact gun system, newly developed, which is a unique combination of cost effectiveness, small size, lightweight, and with a good capability. It can be used as a close-in weapon system on a ship, for example. Both the 57 and the 40mm gun comes with the 3P programmable ammunition, which gives the gun systems an all-target capability. The 57mm gun has so far been selected by a big number of navies around the world, including Sweden, Finland, the US Navy, the Canadian Navy, and some others. The 40mm Mark IV, the brand new developed gun, has so far been selected by the Brazilian Navy, but also we just recently won another customer contract, which I can't mention today.
The ESSM is the Evolved Sea Sparrow missile, and it's launched from the vertical launch missile system on board both FFH frigates and FFG frigates. It's a primary point defence missile system, so what we do is we'd fire the ESSM to go and protect the ship against an incoming high-speed target, so another missile or a plane or something similar. The things that I've learnt over the course of this particular trial is just how capable we are. I've been an electronics technician weapons for coming up to 15 years, and it's my first ESSM firing. And it's the first for HMAS Parramatta. We proved that we can, as a team, we can do all the preparations that we need to do. The ops crew proved that as a team they can do all the preparations that they need to do, and then we proved as a ship and as a unit that we can all come together and execute that firing as a team, and the system itself worked like clockwork. If I could paint it out a perfect way that it could have gone, it went that way.